Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Windows 11 has blue screen error. And if you new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First we start with basic things. You need to check the hardware issues. If you recently added a new hardware, you need to remove it and see if the issue is already still there. And check all the internal and external connections are secure and properly connected. So is that completely fixed, you need to go with step number 2. Second method is update drivers. To do that, you need to right click on it and go to device manager. In this menu you can see there are some drivers as yellow icons. You can right click on that one, tap on update driver and choose the first one, search automatically for drivers. In my case Windows can't find that driver, but in your case some drivers can be able to install the latest versions. So other than that, you can choose the display adapters here and choose your graphic driver, right click on it and tap on update driver and choose the first one, search automatically for drivers, and in my case it is already installed the latest version. And you can go with second option, choose the browse my computer for drivers and choose this one. Let me pick from a list, and you can choose the driver you are selected in here and tap on next. This will reinstall the driver again in your computer, then it will be fix the previous issues with the graphic driver. So if this is not working, you can go with third method. Third one is run the system file checker. To do that, you need to go to search bar here, search for command prompt. This is the command prompt. Right click on it and tap on run as administrator. Tap on yes. In here you need to type sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. This will be take around 5 minutes to complete. This will check the corrupted system file and automatically fix those files. So then after you can check the blue screen error is still happening or not. So it is already still there. You can go with next method. So next method is use the DISM tool. To do that, again you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu and turn on the caps lock and type DISM space, turn off the caps lock, / online, make sure O is capital, space / cleanup, make sure C is capital, dash image I should be capital, and space / restore health, R and H should be capital, then hit enter. Wait for the process to complete. This will repair the Windows image file. So and next method is check the Windows update. Go to search bar again, search for setting, tap on setting icon here and go to the last one in the left side menu, Windows update. And if you are post your update, you need to resume the updates. And if you see there is a button called check for update, just tap on it, then it will be check the latest update on your version and it will be automatically installed those updates onto your computer. Then after you need to restart and check the problem is still happened, then you can go with next method. Just close this one. And method number 6 is you need to uninstall the recent update. First you need to go to start menu and go to setting and go to Windows update. In this menu you can see there can be option find updates history. Just tap on it. Okay, in my case you can see there's a button called uninstall updates. Just tap on it. It will be open control panel menu. These are the updates currently installed on my computer, but those are not uninstallable because some update can be uninstalled, some are not. If you can, that update is uninstallable, you can, when you select that one, you will be able to find uninstall button in here. Then you need to just tap on uninstall and it will be uninstall the update on your computer. Then after you can restart the computer, then it will be reinstall the previous version of the Windows. So check this one is working or not, and then after you can perform a system restore. To do that, again go to search bar, search for control panel. Here it is, tap on it, and in this menu just spam and make sure view by is changed to large icons. In this menu you need to go to recovery here, tap on it and click on open system restore, the second option. And you can, in this menu you can tap on next and you will be fine. If any kind of system restore on your computer, you can choose, you can see that backup restores on here. You can choose the restore version and you can go with tap on by next. Then it will be restore the computer into this day with the time, and that will be able to fix your issue. So that is method number 7. And method number 8 is check the disk errors. To do that, again go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu, and you need to type chkdsk space /f space /r, then hit enter. Follow the on-screen instruction to check for and fix the disk errors. So it will be take small time. You can follow the on-screen instruction to complete the disk error issue. So this is method number 8. And method number 9 is boot into safe mode. To do that, you need to press Windows key plus R, then it will be open run menu. In this menu you need to type msconfig and tap on OK. In here you will be able to find the second one, boot tab. Just tap on it and turn on safe boot here and tap on OK. Then it will be, when you restart your computer, it will be open in the safe boot. In the safe mode you can troubleshoot further, such as updating drivers or uninstall recent updates, but I don't have to able to show that safe mode and thing in this time. But the safe mode also similar to this window. So you can, like this, you can go to search bar and go to setting and go to Windows Update and tap on update history, uninstall updates. Make sure do this in the safe mode, not in the live mode. Okay, then you will be able to find updates are here. You can tap on uninstall and uninstall those updates, and you can update your drivers also. So those things should be do in safe mode. And the last one is use the command prompt for advanced fixes. To do that, again you need to boot into the safe mode. When you in safe mode, imagine you are in safe mode, Then after, you need to go to search bar and search for command prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes. In here you need to type this command. First you need to type boot rec space / fix mbr. Hit enter. It will be take small time and fix the mbr. Then after, you need to type this command boot rec space / fix boot. Again you need to hit enter. Then it will be fix the boot issues. It will take small time. Then after it is completed, you need to type again this command boot rec space / scan os. Hit enter. Then it will be fix this OS issues, and when it is completed, you need to again type boot rec space / rebuild BCD. Then hit enter. Then it will be rebuild the BCD. So these steps should help you resolve the blue screen error on your Windows 11 computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe my channel and liking this video.